Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to tell you about the very important custom function in Excel which is used to convert a number into a words. And this is very required function from the many people that they are unable to convert number into a word. So today I have write a one script, or you can say a VBA code in Excel. So by using that VBA code we can convert a number into a word, and we can use that function as other functions which we use in Excel. So let's start, and how we can achieve that, let's see. So first of all, open Excel sheet, and I have already written that VB code, and keep it in our notepad. So what we will do, we just need to put that VB code into a Visual Basic editor. So first of all, we must know how we can go into a Visual Basic editor. I hope most of people know how we can go there. So there is a one shortcut key to go into Visual Basic editor, Alt plus F11, and some other. So nowadays we have a different. We have a latest laptop in which we have function key, so we can only press F. We cannot directly press F11. We need to use function button to press F11. So in that case, the shortcut key will be function key plus Alt plus F11. Okay. So just press function key, Alt and F11, and you will be in Visual Basic Editor. So here you can see, because I have already created the personal book, so it's showing here. But it might be chances that in your Visual Basic Editor there will be a no personal XLSB. So you will see all the worksheet here. So in my case, there is only one worksheet, which is sheet one. So to where we need to paste our code, we just need to insert a one module. So we just need to go here, insert menu bar, and just create a one module. So you can see this is the module one. You can rename it as per your requirement, but you don't need it. And here our code I have already written. So just copy it, and I will give you in description, so you can copy and paste in Visual Basic Editor. So just need to place here, paste here, and now just you need to save this workbook and give name. So here I'm giving a convert number to word. Okay, you can give a name as per your wish, and here you just need to select this macro enabled workbook, then hit save button. So now the workbook has been saved, and just close this window. Now here we will check how this function will work. So just we write some numbers here like this for testing. This function is working fine or not. Okay, up to 6 digit. So we will use the same function. The function name will be convert number to word, and use ignore these last two. You just need to use convert number to word, and just select the cell which you want to convert into word. Just hit enter. Now you can see 1 rupees only, and just copy this formula into other cells. Now you can see all the numbers successfully converted into a word, and all are good. So now just save this. I hope now you have understood very well. If you have any query, any issue, you can comment me on the channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share this video to other, and please like, hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.